and we have returned to the Great Wolf Lodge. This time we are staying the night and leaving tomorrow. Today is Monday, November 3rd, and Tuesday, November 4th. Self-parking, that's parked. There's a wolf statue right here. Alright, went in park. Here's our wristband for today. Last time it was blue, if you guys remember. Today is orange because we're staying tonight, like I mentioned. So we're gonna get our stuff and get ready to head inside. For now, we're just gonna take our bags in. Like my backpack goes in. Everything else stays in, except I need this, my battery pack, to charge my phone. Alright guys, so the nearest pets. We're at 30th and Chip Park now, before we get to the water park. So it looks like for Halloween they have some really intense drinks. You get to keep this cup. Here they have something. There we have the Timbers table picture. And here's the rope course. So I'm going to show you guys how you get your drinks here real quick. We have 20 seconds to go. Alright, we are looking for Cabana 6 now. Once we find it, looks like Cabana we're in. I'll show you that. Love it. Oh, we have corner one. Alright, we have Cabana 6. For our family. Also have a TV in here. Designed by LG. Cool. A little chair area. Couch. Table. They provide towels for us. Towels. Cabana service starts at 11. Air service you can get shortly. It's 11:25 now, so. 2202. So hibernating hours are from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. Be kind to your neighbors, keep noise volume low, no running, shouting, or jumping in the guest room or hallways. Here they have like a little closet area, extra bedding. In here they have a bathroom. You have your toilet and your sink area, shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. Then here is the mirror of the sink area. Paw print. Here we have the wolf den, which none of us will probably be sleeping in here. But got a smoke alarm up there, and here's like the wall. Pretty cool. 2 bunk beds, one at the bottom, one at the top. Here are the rules for the bunk beds. I'm assuming that's for the top bunk. Then continuing along, we have a coffee maker and some coffee. Ice, I guess. A mini fridge. Here we have our TV with the lodge itself. Welcome guests to the Grateful Lodge. And here's like all of your app options. Here you have the queen bed, thermostat that's changed the temperature. There's a light here, like a reading light. You can turn that on or off, whatever you choose. A little like dinette area, kind of. Like you can just sit here. Maybe change the chairs around to watch TV. Right here, there is a phone, the remote for the TV, which will control it. Like, for example, if we click over to YouTube, watch us guess, and we'll search something up. Oop, never mind. I guess we'll not search. Yep. And then here we have like a treasure chest in the middle, kind of. Yeah, not sure what that does. And then this sofa right here is a pull-out bed. Can't show the other side because someone is sitting at the other side. A little outlet right here. A light. Here is our view of our view. We're on the second floor, so this is what our view looks like on the second floor. We're at the very front of the lodge, by the way. Yeah, pretty cool. Oh, forgot to go over the outlets. So there are 4 outlets like right here. And 2 outlets down here. And on the alarm clock, there's also some outlets and USB and USB-C. So went ahead and had to point that out. Also, there is a fire alarm up there. One point out, and that is. Oh, I just noticed this. There's like a window into the wolf den. Pretty cool. And that's your tour of our room. Alright, so we just finished chilling in our room. We're now going back down to the water park. The time is currently 2:30? No, 2:45. And I wanted to show you guys this view that we got up long hallway first, but I'll show you. Alright, look at this. We get to see the main. We're in the upstairs part. Pretty cool. Alright, we're going to the elevators right now to head downstairs. And then we'll continue from there. We're in the hot springs right now. This ride is down for today. Great Lagoon is waiting for the bucket to dump. Hello. Alright everyone, the water park is now closed for today. That means we have to gather our things and get ready to get out back to the Cabana. And we'll have to go back up to the room. Things are still open until 9 or 10 o'clock. So yeah. Things are calming down. Good morning everyone. It is the next day. Today's Tuesday, November 4th. This is the day 2 portion of this video. And let's get this portion started. So today we're not going to go into the water park. I might do like a final walkthrough of everything today before like we leave. So yep, let's get this portion started. So the Buckhorn Aquarium is not open quite yet. Alright, we are now leaving for today. This is it. We have to exit out of the gates first, so. Well, everyone, that is going to do it for today's video here at the Great Wolf Lodge. Date to spend the night for the first time ever. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a like down below. Subscribe if you're new and turn that notification bell on so you guys never miss a video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a great rest of your day. Bye guys. This footage. Bye, Grateful Lodge.
Don't worry, the express train keeps on rolling through the future. Right by two of my favorite spots.